Hello everyone, welcome to Vidika Explain series. Topic for today's discussion is Sri Ramanujacharya. So important point, first we'll discuss why in news, then we'll discuss about Statue of Equality, and then we'll discuss about Sir Sri Ramanujacharya. So why this topic was in news? So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has unveiled the world's second largest statue, that is also known as Statue of Equality in Hyderabad on February 5. So what you have to remember that it is second largest statue of Sri Ramanujacharya. This is a statue. It is second largest statue, also known as Statue of Equality, and where? Hyderabad. So second largest statue. So first is Statue of Unity. It is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gujarat. So it is 216-foot tall statue of 11th century social reformer and saint. So you have to remember it is 216-foot tall statue of 11th century. He is 11th century social reformer and saint. So this is something you have to remember, that is the second largest, which statue is the first largest. And then you have to know this is also known as the Statue of Equality, and which place in Hyderabad. So about the Statue of Equality. So it is the world's second tallest statue. It is world's second tallest statue. In a sitting position, is made up of Panchaloha. That is meaning a combination of 5 metals. That is gold, copper, silver, brass, zinc. Panchaloha. Made up of 5 metals. That is gold, copper, silver, zinc, and brass. So this is, you have to remember, Panchaloha, and which all metal in Panchaloha. In the inner sanctorum deity of Sri Ramanujacharya is built of 120 kilos of gold. This commemorates the 120 years the saint spent on earth. So the inner sanctorum of deity is made up of 120 kilos of gold. So this is, you have to remember, 120 kilos of gold, then Panchaloha, 5 metals used. So now we'll discuss about Sri Ramanujacharya. So some basic information you have to remember, that he was born in 1017 CE in Tamil Nadu. 1017 CE, Tamil Nadu. Present day Tamil Nadu. He is most respected Acharya in the philosophy of Sri Vaishnavism. Belong to which philosophy? He belongs to the philosophy of Vaishnavism. He is famous as the chief proponent of Vishishtavita school of Vedanta. Chief proponent of Vishishtavita sub-school of Vedanta. So you have to remember, chief proponent of Vishishtavita school. You can check the pronunciation, it's difficult to pronounce. School of Vedanta. Vishishtavita school of Vedanta. Yes, you have to remember this. It's philosophy of Vaishnavism, then sub-school of Vedanta. And also, important thing, he wrote influential texts such as Bhasya on Brahma Sutra and Bhagavad Gita, but all in Sanskrit. So influential texts, some of them are Bhasya on Brahma Sutra and Bhagavad Gita, but in Sanskrit. His philosophical foundation for devotionalism were influential to Bhakti movement. So some of the philosophical foundation were also influential during Bhakti movement, and is also referred as Ilaya Perumal, which means radiant one. He is also referred as Ilaya Perumal, means radiant one. So what you have to remember, that is the second largest statue, 216 foot tall. It's also known as Statue of Equality. And we have discussed Panchaloha. And then we have discussed he was born in this year in Tamil Nadu, belonged to Vaishnavism philosophy, Vishwaditta School of Vedanta. He wrote influential texts such as Bhagavad Gita in Sanskrit. His philosophical foundation is relevant to Bhakti movement and is also referred as Ilaya Perumal, which means radiant one. So the question, so it's time for quiz. So question first. So there's nothing much in this topic to discuss, but since the question from this section can come in combination with questions such as Subhash Chandra Bose, so and Statue of Unity. So you have to remember that some of the important and basic factual information related to this topic. There is nothing conceptual in this topic. It's just factual information that you have to remember. And there's nothing you can do. You just have to memorize these things, like the second largest, which one is the largest, and then Panchaloha, which all metals in Panchaloha, when was he born, where the Statue of Equality is unveiled. So that's all. So question number 1, Sri Ramanujacharya was born in 17th century. In which of the following places? In which of the following places? Your options are Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. The correct option is Tamil Nadu. Question 2, which of the following is the tallest statue? Your options are Statue of Equality, Statue of Liberty, Statue of Unity, none of the above. Correct option is Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 3, which of the following metals were used in Statue of Equality? Your options are zinc, brass, gold, all of the above. And the option is D, all of. We have discussed Panchaloha. So in this we have discussed gold, silver, copper, zinc, and brass. Question 4, Sri Ramanujacharya belonged to which philosophy? And the options are Saivism, Vaishnavism, both of the above, none of the above. The correct option is Vaishnavism. Last question is, Sri Ramanujacharya statue was unveiled in which city? Your options are Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, none of the above. The correct option is Hyderabad. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhya, your best ball in CLAT preps.